Hello everyone, this is ZiyangChen. Today I will show you my pre-registration programming assignment, the FSE chat room. Now let me introduce my development stack, my code, and how my FSE chat room works. First, I use the standard web stack, HTML, CSS, JavaScript as my client side. Second, I use Node.js with Express.js web development framework as my server side. I additionally use other common Node modules. For example, Socket.io is an essential part of this. Now, let's briefly review my code. This is controller part, and this is my database. This is middleware, and these three CSS files are my UI design. You can see that later. Now let's move on. You can see my application screens is very closely resemble the mockup with the same UI elements, layout, and look and feel. And my UI design is compatible with a mobile view and work both on a phone's Chrome app or on a Chrome running on a laptop while emulating a phone screen. You can see that my FSE chat room is functional on different devices. Now, let's check other functions. I register for the chat room with a new username and a password, for example, CMU2 and password CMU2. Register. You can see that I enter the chat room with my username and password, and you can see other users' chat messages. Then I post a chat message. For example, I love CMU. Press send. And you can see that when there is a new post, the screens of all the users currently in the chat room are dynamically updated. And when a user posts a chat message, the text is displayed together with the user's username and the timestamp on the right side. And my registration is persistent. Once a user is registered, the user's info is stored on the server in a database, and the user is able to log in again and be recognized. Now, let's leave the chat room gracefully without simply closing the browser tab. Let me check the logout. You can see we are back. If I username change, for example, this, you can see the user is not found. And if I test CMU2 with a wrong password, 123, you can see that this is a wrong password. That's all. Thank you very much.